Well, it's 9:40 a.m. on Wednesday, and I'm sitting over here in West Memphis still, and they just now got me a load. I thought they said Harrison, Arkansas. Picking up rice. Harrisburg, Arkansas? I said it was on Highway 1. Yeah. I think it is Harrisburg. So I'm not too far away from it right now. Wait for the load to come through. I'm already washed out and done, so I'm doing my pre-trip. Wait for the load to come in, and then I'm out of here. Pimpin' wants up on my lap. He paws at my leg when he wants up. But he's just the cutest puppy ever. I got caught talking puppy talk by somebody, and they just looked at me and giggled. I'm like, part of being a dog dad is talking puppy talk. I can't help it. He's just so cute. I guess I'm just a big old softie for stuff like that. Yes. And I love him so much. So much. I think he loves me too. I hope so. All he wants is me, so I'm assuming. Going to Minnesota though. I'm like, you gonna get me back? And he's like, yeah, that's the plan. So hopefully I can run up to Minnesota, offload, and then come back down to Omaha for Monday. But I'm chomping at the bit, man. I really am. Well, I'm picking up rice. Loading it right now. This is going to take me to south central Minnesota, and then I'll hopefully get a load back to Omaha by then. I actually don't need to be back in Omaha till Monday or Tuesday, so they got a little bit of time to get me there. We'll just see how it goes. But this is going to go pretty quick. Pull forward at like 25. And I'll be able to get some miles in today. Well, I just got parked for the night. I'm in Alexandria, Missouri, which is on the far east coast of Missouri. Oh, come here, Pim Pim. Pim Pim probably gotta go potty. I gotta go potty too, but I need to eat here pretty soon. Taking a time lapse as usual. Did I not take? There we go. Hopefully it's working out. Got it set up looking that way. I am 5.5 hours from my delivery. I gotta get fuel. Let's see. Loves Floyd Alasvia to start. So I gotta get fuel too. So yeah, I'm still 5 hours and 30 minutes away from my delivery. I gotta be there at noon, I believe. Yep, noon tomorrow by appointment. So I'll get there a little bit earlier. I just got brown rice on. It's an ingredient to use, and I must have delivery appointment. There's a super Walmart with truck parking allowed. From there you can see ProPet. Oh, me and Pim Pim's got the shorts and everything all uploaded. Look how he's standing on me. What are you doing? What are you doing? He wants to put his butt in my face. I don't know why he does stuff like that. Cutest puppy ever. But we're gonna call it a night. Take my night pill, brush my teeth, and then off to bed. Gonna try and get up early in the morning, get a shower in, and then get out on the road. I think there's probably too many people waiting in line right now. Let's see. There's one available. I could technically go run in and grab a shower. But I like doing it in the morning if I have a preference, assuming that they're going to be cleaning showers in the morning. So we'll just have to roll the dice. If anything, I'll leave a little early in the morning and go down the road and get a shower, a place that is open, but usually it's not too big of a deal. So for now, sun's setting, it's time to go to bed. We'll see you guys tomorrow.